Ndewo. Today we'll be talking about another Akara edemede Igbo, which is called punctuation mark in English language. We are talking about Akara ụdaolu. Akara ụdaolu. What is Akara ụdaolu in English language? Can you remember? Since you can't remember, let me help you. Akara ụdaolu is called tone mark. Tone mark. And this tone mark is very essential and necessary in Igbo language, because Igbo language is a tonal language. You can't speak Igbo language without using a tone, because we have so many homographs in Igbo language. What do I mean by homographs? Words that are spelt alike but pronounced different way. Using a tone marking, you can differentiate these homographs. So what is Akara ụdaolu, which is tone mark in what is it? It is a mark that we use. It is a mark that we add to some words that are homographs. They are marks that we use to differentiate between some words that are spelt alike, but they are not pronounced the same way. They are not pronounced the same way. Example, the Akara ụdaolu that we have includes Akara ụdaelu, Akara ụdaala, and Akara ụdansụda. They are only three. Akara ụdaelu can follow Akara ụdaala. Akara ụdaelu can follow Akara ụdansụda. Akara ụdaelu can follow Akara ụdaelu. Akara ụdaala can follow Akara ụdaala, but Akara ụdaala cannot follow Akara ụdansụda. Akara ụdaelu is high. Akara ụdaala is low tone. Akara ụdansụda is the mid. This mid, the low cannot follow the mid. Rather, it will be low or low high. You can only see high mid. You can't see low mid. Example, we have Akwa, AKWA. AKWA are pronounced in 4 different ways, but it's the tone marking that will differentiate and that will explain to you that the way that we pronounce these are not the same. The first one is Akwa, 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 cry. Akwa, cry, high. The second AKWA is Akwa, Akwa, which is bed or bridge, low. The third way that we pronounce AKWA is Akwa, Akwa, which is high-low. Akwa means clothes, which is high-low. Another way that we pronounce AKWA is Akwa, which is egg. Akwa is pronounced low-high. Akwa, low-high. So these 4 different spellings that has 4 different pronunciation, it also have 4 different meaning. These spellings is what we call homograph, and is only tone marking that we use to separate them in Igbo language. It occurs in many ways. You must see it, but when they pronounce it, you will know the difference. Another example is ISI. ISI can be pronounced easy head. Easy head, which is high. Easy head, which is high. Another way that we can pronounce ISI is easy, which is low. Blindness, easy, low. blindness. Another way that we can pronounce this isi is isi. Isi, which is smell, something that you are perceiving something. Something is smelling. Isi, which is high low. High low. Smell, which is high low. I want you to understand that homographs is a unique thing that is rampant in most African language, more especially in Igbo language. You must say it. So we use the marking to differentiate between these words that are spelt alike but pronounced different ways. I hope you understand, and I hope that you can give me some examples using this tone mark. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in my next videos. Dalo Kodi.